At SGS Mississauga, we currently have around 300 staff, including lab technician, analyst, scientist, QA, QC specialist, as well as IT, procurement, and metrology expert. And we want to also highlight that out of our scientists, around 30% of them own either a PhD or a master from a renowned university around the world.
Most of the people in the lab come with greater than 15 years laboratory experience.
My area of expertise is in cell-based potency assays. Here I will focus on the analytics used for potency testing of cell and gene therapy products.
I have professional project management certification and my academic background is in human genetics.
My role is to connect with clients and strengthen the relationship between the clients and the labs. With biologics testing, I found it's quite different from small molecules. And the challenge here is to understand the product, the methods, and how we can optimize each method to the client and the product. Each of them is very different one to another, and it requires a scientific expertise from our team in order to overcome the challenges that the method can have.
So biologics testing is extensive and needs a lot of different tests and a lot of different equipment, and most laboratories do not have all of the capabilities that are needed for this testing. Therefore, a lot of our clients need to outsource some or all of the testing, and that's where SGS comes into play. So across the SGS network, we're able to assist in all the biological testing that is needed.
For biologics, we have several state-of-the-art technologies and equipment. For example, we have a 7500 PCR machine, ELISA washers, couple of plate readers.
We have recently acquired a single sequencing platform, Seq Studio 24 Flex Genetic Analyzer.
My lab is comprised of different types of high mass accuracy instrumentation and state-of-the-art Edmond degradation sequencing.
Mass spectrometry, liquid chromatography, HPLC, and ultra liquid chromatography. We have real-time PCR, viability testing instrumentation, automated systems, and several other instrumentation which we are using currently in our labs.
Biologics is very challenging in the sense that it requires a lot of focus, a lot of concentration. A lot of the tests that I do specifically take a long time to do.
These are very complex in nature, which makes it really difficult to analyze every single biologic product.
They are very sensitive to the environment, pH, light, and temperature.
So we need to make sure that these are not affected with these kind of environmental conditions. There are several other factors which makes these kind of things unique and challenging to us.
We do spend a lot of time solely on a client's product just to make sure it's done right first. And it's good to know that we're not overwhelmed to do too much at once, that we can do it right the first time.
Because of the recognition that we get from the regulatory bodies, we give the peace of mind to the patients who will eventually benefit from these medications.